Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will see how to delete files based on their names and move other files to the destination with if condition. So here you can see this is our workspace, basic fabric. Here I am working. So in this workspace I have created a lake house. Okay, so if condition demo. So in this lake house I have two subfolders, source and destination. So in the source there are 4 files and in destination right now it is blank. So what I want if the file name starts with demo, then delete these files and other files move to the destination. Okay, with if condition. Let's see how to do it. So for that thing I need to go to my workspace. And here I need to create a pipeline. Okay, so I'll give like get files and create. So in this pipeline, what I have to do, I need to get the metadata of those files to get the file names. So for that thing, go to activities, 3 dots, and get metadata. So what get metadata will do, get metadata will extract the file names. So go to settings and go to the source. So our source is Lakehouse. So this one, click on here, and I need files. Go to the files, file path directory, go to the browse. This is our source and click on OK. Okay, and file format will be as delimited text, and here field list, click on new, and this one will be child items. So whatever the metadata, whatever the file names it will get as their child items. Okay, and go to home. Okay, go click on run, save on run. So here you can see it is succeeded. Okay, so if you click on this one output, you can see, so if you click on output, you can see all those file names coming as child items, demo1, demo2. Okay, like this. So now what I have to do, I got my child names, I got my file items. Okay, now I need to check each of the file item if it is starts with demo or not. Okay, so for that thing what I have to do, I have to go to activities, click on 3 dots, and click on for each. So whatever the result I am getting from metadata, I am checking in this for each loop if the any of the file starts with demo or not. Okay, so click on for each, and here go to the settings, click on sequential. Okay, and this batch, go to the items, add dynamic content, and here I need to click on the get metadata child items. Click on OK. So whatever the child items I am getting, it will take those things. That means all the file names. Okay, now so I got all my child items, right? So now I have to check if it is starts with demo or not. So for that thing, click on activities, and I need to check if condition. So click on this if condition. Okay, go to activities. Okay, so okay, go to activities, and so click on the expression, add dynamic content. So here I need to check all those child items. So for each child items, okay, dot name. Okay, so all these child items, does it contains, so click on contains demo or not. So here I will write demo. Okay, it will check this one, then click on OK. Okay, now So if this happen, then click on this true for condition. Okay, so if this happen, then what I have to do, if the demo contains, I need to delete this file, right? So I need to get a delete data. Okay, so in this delete data, go to the source. So what is my source? Source is my lake house, right? So source is my lake house, and file path, go to the browse. This is my source. Click on OK, and the file name, add dynamic content. So it will be item.name. Okay, at the rate item.name. So whatever the item it is getting, it will be deleted. Click on delete. Okay, now if it is not true, go to the for each. If it is not true, then go to the false statement. Click on here. So if it is not true, that means it is not demo, then I need to copy the data, right? So click on here, then copy data. Okay, I need to copy the data. So what is my source? Source is my ADL lake house. So source is lake house, and I need files. So file path will be the source. Okay, and file name will be item.name. So whatever the files does not contain demo, this will take these files. Okay, and where to put? I to put in the description. Okay, first this file format will be in delimited text. Okay, so I need to put this file in the destination. So destination connection string is again the same, lake house. Okay, then click on files, file path, go to the browse. Destination is the file path, and file names, add dynamic content, at the rate item.name. Okay, so another thing I have to do, like go to the free for each. Okay, go to the delete data and logging settings, disable this one. Okay, now go to the first step and go to the home and save and run. So here you can see it is running. So here you can see all this is completed and it runs successfully. So now if I go to my lake house and refresh this one, so if I go to my source, demo files are deleted. Okay, and if I go to my destination, previously it was empty, now these two files came to my destination. So like this, so we can use if condition. Okay, so if you like my channel, please share it, subscribe it, share it among your friends, support to the channel. Thank you guys, thank you.